What's up guys, Dominic Rosacci at Superior Inc. And today I'm doing a little recap of our experience so far with the INPRO TigerClean automatic reclaim machine. We've had this baddie for about a month now. Installation went great. All we really had to do was run the power, run the water, and run the drain. INPRO came out, did all the rest. We have had great results so far. Took our daily output from about 60 to 80 screens a day all the way up to about 200 with one operator. Frankly, I don't know a whole lot about this, and that's what's nice about INPRO is you really don't need to know all the mechanics and everything going on the inside. All we do is load the screen in, pops out on the other side, clean, ready to coat. This process, in the past, thought, why would you buy an auto reclaim machine? But when you're doing anywhere from 60 to 100 screens a day, it makes perfect sense. The employees are happier, it's more climate controlled, and it keeps the area clean. And the cool thing about it as well is that the only thing that's draining out of this machine right here is water. That's the only thing going down the drain. Every quarter, we'll have a company come out and dispose of the chemicals inside, so we don't really have to touch it or mess with it. A lot better for the environment, has really good impact there, and we have happier employees that are more efficient. So check it out, Tiger INPRO, super happy so far. These guys are rad, and they've been great to work with so far. Go get you one.